Namaskara, this is Kurtkoti from Belesiri Hydroponics. We are based out of Bangalore. We are into training and consultation. We do help people to understand hydroponics and grow without soil. And most of the time we grow with natural light. However, when I received an inquiry a few years back, like someone wanted to see indoor setup as well. So that's when I got curious about indoor plantation also. But I was not sure, which tubes to buy and all. And I bought something online and which did not work. It stopped working after some time, and the growth was also not good. But that's when I got in touch with Nexsel, and the main concern was whether they will give it in small quantity or not, because I wanted to try it out before doing it in a large scale, or before recommending it to my students. So they responded very well and very quickly, and they gave me a few. I think I bought around 4 at that time, and they worked really well. I used to grow palak and amaranthus using those grow bulbs, and in a small NFT system, and we got a very good results. And after that, I recommended to many of my students who were interested in doing it indoor. So it was a wonderful experience, and a team is excellent and they respond quickly. That's very important. And many of my students, I give their numbers. They give a very good feedback about that. So just go for it, and use it if you really want your plants to be enlightened. Okay. Thank you.